You might think yawning means you're sleepy, but that's not the whole story. It helps cool down our brain when it overheats. Yawning serves a crucial function in our brains. When you yawn, blood circulation increases in your head. This boost in blood flow cools your brain, keeping it functioning well. Now, let's break it down step by step. First, when your body needs more oxygen, you yawn. This oxygen helps keep your brain alert. Next, yawning helps regulate your brain's temperature. If your brain gets too hot, yawning cools it down. Finally, yawning is contagious. Seeing someone yawn triggers your own yawning reflex. Think about this. Have you ever yawned after seeing someone else do it? It's not just a coincidence. Your brain is responding to theirs. In summary, yawning isn't just about sleepiness. It cools your brain, increases blood flow, and can even spread among people. Your body effectively controls your brain temperature. Next time you yawn, remember, it's your brain keeping itself cool.